Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are here with Cookie Monster and a brand new Sesame Street Magna tiles building set. Oh, these are so much fun and they're really good quality too. We just recently built one that was Daniel Tiger themed and it was the countdown to bedtime, so check it out. Now we've been making cookies today, haven't we, Cookie Monster? Cookies. And Tiny Treasures Mini said they were bored, so I said, why don't you bake some cookies? Let's go have a look. Fresh out of the oven, chocolate chip oat. They're gluten-free, so easy on the tummy. All right, let's open up the box and have a look. Now here is a little flyer that's going to show us exactly what we can build. Oh, wow. We can build a cookie cake. Oh, and there is Cookie Monster, the big towel. Oops. And we're going to learn shapes today with these triangle cookie pieces. Okay, so I think I've decided to build our Cookie Monster shape cookie pizza today. And we just look at the diagram and follow along. So we have Cookie Monster's face, and he needs his chef's hat. Let's look for the chef's hat. Must be somewhere. Oh, I found it. And the Cookie Monster is on one side, and it's a triangle shaped cookie. So Cookie Monster's chef hat. It fits perfectly and the magnets are strong so it doesn't fall off. And underneath is the star cookie cutter. Now it's a little wobbly, so we need to secure it with Cookie Monster shoulders. And we need to have the other one here. We can bend it like that. Oh my goodness. This is going to be very tricky. Oh, well, everything collapsed, Tiny fans, so on to plan B. And it's okay if something doesn't work out the first time, we just try again. So I found another diagram with Cookie Monster. He doesn't have the chef's hat on here because I just find that it's not going to stay on. And we can still build our cookie. So let's try this again. We have the star and the shoulders. And I hold everything in place until we get part of our cookie made. So I will hold on. I could use one of the kids' help right now, but they're busy. Tiny Treasures Mini is reading a book about dinosaurs. All right, there we go. There's the circle. And then we have the square. Oh, perfect. And now it's starting to hold Cookie Monster together. Then we have the diamond shape. And now Cookie Monster is standing all by himself. Yay, success. Now we have to build the second half of our cookie. This is one half. And we build the other half. So there are 3 pieces to each half. Okay, we have another shape. Do you know what this is? How many sides are there? 5 sides, so it's called a pentagon. Then we have, oh, you know what this is? A star. And finally we have the triangle on the triangle shape. Oops. Now we have 6 more pieces left, and we can build the wall of Cookie Monster's friends. So first we have Elmo and Big Bird, and we're going to angle them like that so they stand up on their own. Perfect. All right, and next we have Oscar the Grouch and Grover. And then our last tiles, well, we have a Cookie Monster and Ernie. We're all done. That was so much fun. And there, of course, are many other things you can build with these Magna tiles. They're really good quality. So now it's time to clean up. But remember, Tiny fans, to look for the Dora backpack somewhere earlier in the video. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.